tell me the difference between Michael Cera and Jesse Eisenberg?
Objection! No one could possibly know that.
Exhibit A! My poor begonia plant, brutally pulled from its home.
Objection! That plant was gonna croak anyway.
Then if there is nobody here who objects to this union, I now pronounce you...
You bet I object!
I object!
Just
come on.
Join those hands together.
I object!
What?
Order in the court! We find this man guilty of not selling enough money! Objection! Why sell money when you can buy it?
Objection!
The next few days, you're going to hear how the defendant, Bartholomew Simpson, a.k.a. the Springfield Egger...
Objection! Prejudicial!
Sustained.
This. Objection, 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 objection!
I object!
In the defendant's possession!
Objection! Someone probably put it there to frame Stitch. And do you think this boy took those eggs?
Him? All he takes are sodas and desserts.
Objection! Unhealthy!
But could Bart have gotten those eggs?
No way. They were under lock and key.
Tell us, Curly, what exactly is your area of expertise?
Shrinkage, especially wool.
So, some things shrink when they get wet, like paw prints?
It could happen. There was dew this morning.
I object! The witness is not a dirt expert.
Sidebar.
Wait! I object to this union. No son of mine is going to marry a big, disgusting spider. Wait a second. If my dad disapproves of this wedding, then so do I. This marriage is over.
Albeit, I take it all back. I'm still gonna need my 50 bucks.
If any of you objects to the union of these two people, speak now or forever hold your peace.
Me! I object!
Do you, Prince Naveen?
And after hearing the tragic account of what happened to my client, I felt it was my duty to do everything in my power to see that justice is done and that Miss Celeste should pay proper restitution.
I object! I object!
Cornelius?
Defendant of the court, you were accused of being reckless and irresponsible, ignoring regulations, behavior unbecoming a pound puppy, being unfit to command, all-around heedlessness, haphazard behavior above and beyond the...
I think you understand the charges, Nate. So, how do you plead?
Innocent? Like you of all dogs need to ask?
I object! Defense is being sassy. Prosecution moves that his remark be strictly...
I object!
Friends with the defendant, Timmy Turner?
Shaw? He's a totally gnarly dude and my #1 Brzezinski!
Objection! Make him use real words! I don't know what he's saying!
I have evidence!
Here are my records of this event.
Objection! These records are false.
I object! I think the word awesome is played out. Rainbow Dash deserves better. You liar! You did it, you lying jerk! Take that! You did it! You did it!
He's not asking any questions!
A record player, trampled to pieces mercilessly by the defendant.
Objection! It could have got broken some other way.
See? Swearing in public. That's the kind of corruption Socrates is responsible for.
But Socrates speaks of justice,
Objection!
love,
Objection!
and virtue.
Mr. Rubble, how do you plead?
Hungry, Your Honor. I can't stop swiping Fred's post-Cocoa Pebble cereal. Part of this good breakfast.
I object!
Overruled.
We got out and eventually decided to throw the bag in with the others. We didn't know there was someone hiding in there. Objection! So, the defendant crawled into that bag.
Objection!
This Mario is clearly a different Mario from the one in...
Objection! It's the Mario! No! Don't have this red hand and blaster!
Objection! Don't interrupt me!
Objection! No, you!
Objection! Don't make me slap you!
Objection! Bring him on little girl!
Objection, little girl!
Frankly, my boy, your actions were most disappointing. It is tragic, Your Highness, but the street rat has obviously followed in his father's footsteps. Aladdin is a criminal.
Object, Your Honor! I object to that outrageous statement. I object to the tertiary character having any lines during my big courtroom scene.
Wasn't it defendant 626 who chewed off the arm of Mr. Fluffy Bear here?
Objection! I sewed it back on.
Object!
Shaky, would you please stand up? Object.
Now, Mr. Lampwick, when Roger Myers stole your character...
Objection.
Sustained.
Ugh! If I hear objection and sustain one more time today, I think I'm going to scream.
Objection.
Sustained.
Objection! Timmy doesn't unwish all his wishes! Why don't you give him a fighting chance?
Do you know what happened? Can you show us? You can tell us. Nothing's going to happen to you.
Objection! What? Ow! Just tell the jury what happened.
I lost my wallet.
She lost her wallet. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, I beg you to listen to this sad tale. We're trying, but you keep talking. Objection! Overruled. I object to you overruling my objection. I overrule your objection to my overruled. Shouldn't. I object. Exactly.
Okay.
Guilty.
Objection! That wall is faulty! Can we get another brick wall in here, please?
They swear! Ladies and gentlemen, there is nothing cooler than that yet!
Oh, yeah, that's so true.
Dude, nice.
Thanks, Your Honor. Huh. Dude, Gary!
Objection. Overruled.
Answer the question! Do you love me?
Objection!
On what grounds?
On the grounds that this is just embarrassing for everyone.
You're on the stand. The DA says, Ted, do you consider yourself to be human?
Objection sustained.
No, the witness can't object.
Overruled.
Sidebar.
Guilty.
Speculation.
Hearsay.
Bailiff.
Briefcase.
Disregard.
In my chambers.
Stop Beaver and the witness.
Arrest.
We could totally be lawyers.
Bang.
I was riding out with my partner in the armored van, when suddenly we spotted a bag on the side of the road. We got out and eventually decided to throw the bag in with the others. We didn't know there was someone hiding in there.
Objection! So the defendants crawled into their respective bags in order to break into the bank. Is that correct?
Is it not obvious?
Objection. The prosecutor can't question himself.
Now, Lisa, would you agree that your grandmother is a sweet, harmless woman who could hardly be considered a menace to society?
Oh, definitely. If you ask me, she's far less dangerous than Bart. If it please the court, I would like to go ape on my sister. I object. Judge, sidebar?
Very well.
The truth is obvious. The guilty party sits among us. It is none other than Mario.
Objection!
Overruled. I judge the defendant guilty as charged.
Plank says your mouth runs faster than 6-month-old cheese, Eddie.
I'll take that as a yes.
I object. My skin is still pruned from that surf school fiasco. Guilty!
Objection!
Overruled!
Objection withdrawn.
Another bright, sunshiny day in Maritime Bay. Too bad I left my sunglasses back at the station. I'll just steal yours, Zip! Objection! That is not what I said!
And that's the whole truth, with sugar and spice and everything nice.
Objection, Your Honor.
And where was Henry at the time? I don't know.
Objection! What for? And how about little Susie Tea Party? Anybody seen her head? I haven't. Because it's gone!
Objection! Stitch didn't mean to eat it. It was a freak accident. He was accidentally hungry.
So, Mr. Panda, could you please tell us how great our captain was?
Objection, Your Honor. This has nothing to do with...
Overruled. What does that mean?
You may proceed, witness.
Hostile witness! Oh, you called this hostile? This is not hostile. If you want hostile, I'll give you hostile. Objection! Overruled!
That's what I say.
What?
Overruled.
Sustained!
Wilt, you're my counsel. Do something!
Objection?
Objection? On what grounds?
Yeah, no kidding. That so didn't happen that way.
Objection! Sustained. So says the justice. Or
It's a prison tattoo. I'll bet he's a repeat offender.
Objection!
I'm getting tired of saying this. Guilty!
Also not guilty. Overruled. Objection.
I said it first. I said it second.
I said very politely that I didn't want you, but they wouldn't listen. And then they said no dessert and sent me to my room.
Objection! Overruled. Now let the cute little girl finish her story, okay?
If anyone objects, speak now or forever hold your...
I object!
Proto-wife.
Proto-wife? But how?
I had a little help from my family.
Objection!
Do you promise to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you, Smurf? Objection! The witness can't even talk yet.
Objection!
Objection! Objection! Objection!
Objection! Objection!
Objection!
Catnap, we gotta get you out of this.
I know, but the thing is, I would like to keep my head.
Good point. We'll find a way out.
A way out of what? So you do object?
Yes, I object to you forcing my friend to marry you.
What a shame. Then you'll have to stay here until the wedding's over. Come, Papa. Back to the thought.
Now, what do you say for sparing your goat dad's life?
Thank you, Magical Info.
Objection, Your Honor. How is
any of this relevant? Magica was obviously already, like, the most villainous.
I just hope no one objects to a giraffe marrying a lemur.
Oh, as a matter of fact, I object to this union.
If anyone objects to the marriage of Lord Hader and Linguini von Breadstick, let them speak now or...
I object.
What?
I'm sorry, Bun Bun. I know how much you love me.
I object! I call as a witness Mabel Pines.
Objection?
I'll allow it. Us cats are famously curious. Meow meow.
Dad!
501!
10 million.
Objection, Your Honor!
Sir, I'm not a judge, but, overruled.
Jury, have we reached a verdict yet?
Your Honor, we find the defendant... Objection! I mean, wait! You're making a terrible mistake! I've been framed! It's me, Pops!
Pops?
Objection! Objection!
Objection!
Objection!
Objection!
Objection! Objection!
Objection! Objection!
Your name is Megan. You're a lawyer. / model.
Objection, Your Honor.
Now that we've seen all the evidence...
Wait, I object!
Overruled!
I object! Quiet! Dang!
I object to this witness. She's obviously trying to influence the judge.
What makes you say that?
Never mind.
Your Honor, it was an accident. We're wasting valuable legal resources here.
Objection, conjecture. Objecture.
That's not a word.
You can't make that a crime. That's like arresting Mr. Pickle because he smells like vinegar.
Objection!
Or locking Liam away because he dresses like a dork.
Rats. In that case, the prosecution rests, Your Honor.
I object!
Gentlemen of the jury, have you reached a verdict?
How long did you think you could keep that from us?
Objection, Your Majesty! We're losing!
Overruled. But yes. Yes, you are. Badly.
I rest my case.
That guy's good!
Accident. Minutes ago, poor little Scrump was found involuntarily admiring the defendant's dental work.
I object, Your Honor. He's making it look like Stitch did do it.
People's Exhibit 1A, the defendant's confession. We'll be out of here by 11.
Objection! What were the circumstances of this confession?